Hi, this is Victor Gamov from Confluent, and thank you for being with us during this Spring for Kafka and Confluent Cloud course. So in this course, we try to show you how you can easily start with Spring Boot as your framework for developing event-driven microservices and serverless Kafka as your transport layer and storage layer for your application. Hopefully you find this material useful, and you will be able to start building your own applications, and we would be eager to know about those. Join our community in our Slack. Do not forget to check new courses that come into developer.confluent.io, a place for all your Kafka needs and all your development needs around Kafka and cloud. And do not forget to redeem some of the coupon codes that we provided for you. When you're creating the account, you can use some of the extra money so you can play around with those technologies. And with this, my name is Victor Gamov, and as always, have a nice day.